Drama 7 of Little Dramas for Primary Grades by Ada Maria Skinner and Lillian Nixon Lawrence. This LibriVox recording is in the public domain. The Maiden and the Bird by Lydia Maria Child. Cast.
Maiden, read by Rachel.
Bird, read by Lian Ye.
Little bird, come to me. I have a green cage ready for thee. Beauty bright flowers I'll bring anew, and fresh ripe cherries I'll wet with dew.
Thanks, little maiden, for all thy care, but I love dearly the clear, cool air, and my snug little nest in the old oak tree.
Little bird, stay with me.
Nay, little damsel, away I'll fly, to greener fields and warmer sky. When spring returns with pattering rain, you'll hear my merry song again.
Little bird, who'll guide thee over the hills and over the sea? Foolish one, come in the house to stay, for I'm very sure you'll lose your way.
Ah, no, little maiden, God guides me over the hills and over the sea. I will be free as the rushing air, and sing of sunshine everywhere.
End of Drama 7.